Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Okay, so I I cleaned up my room. Oh my gosh, it's a miracle on itself. So this is what you see. This is my overflow room, and this is also where I film my YouTube videos. So I haven't done a tour in here yet, and mainly because I had, but the video was so shaky, I knew that people would not like it at all. So I'm trying the selfie stick again today. I have cleaned my craft rooms, you guys, because if you don't know, I tore my meniscus, and so I had surgery, and I have been laid up for quite a while, and I hadn't been able to craft or be in my rooms in so long, and that really just bummed me out. So I made it a mission today to clean so that I could film, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So this is where I film, and you'll see the back of it why it's so shaky sometimes when I bump it with one of two of my bellies. Because I unfortunately have two, just like I have two chins. So, but luckily I don't film with my face. So yeah. And so yeah, this is the overflow room. There's nowhere to sit. This is our well, it was my daughter's when we first moved in here, and then it became my son's, and then it became mine. Because hello, what are you supposed to do with rooms when your kids leave? But making them your own, because that's life goals right there, you guys. Is we don't, yeah, we don't anticipate them moving back in. So, but it could happen, but there's another room for that. So this is my paper area, and it looks like this because my husband built me a jacuzzi tub, beautiful bathroom, a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. If you've seen my house tour of my Christmas house tour, then you know the bathroom, the jacuzzi tub is there. And so he built it where it extended out because, like I said in my last video, this is my house and we will do what we want to do. So I'm not worried about the resale value because you can take things out if you want. You can put things in. You can do whatever you want. You want to make it a closet again? That's what you do. But to live for other people is not something that I do. And I'm not that I'm willing to do. So I'll show you inside of these. Well, the tops. I'll show you the tops because there's a lot. I have a lot, you guys. I really do. And I don't know. I have a lot. I try to only shop for things I know I'll use. So I have used some of these things, but things come in waves, where I'm like, okay, I'll make 3D projects. Okay, I'll make this. I'll make cards. I'll do yada yada yada, and it's just there's not enough time in people's day to do everything they want to do, right? And so, well, that's my life because I cross stitch, I do diamond painting, I read a lot. I prefer reading over watching TV, so that's where I turned on the TV to start cleaning, and I was like, why do I have the TV on? I'm like, it's so annoying. So I turned it off and I put on music, and that's what I prefer to clean to is music. And then I prefer when I'm sitting down printing out pictures or stuff, I prefer to read while printing out pictures. So that's what I like. I'm not really big into the TV. It's not my thing. It's my mom's and my dad's thing. Like when they get up, they turn on that TV and that is their thing. But for me, no. I'll show you over there when I get to there. But I am uber organized. So organized that when I look for things, I can't find them. So yeah, that's, that's reality right there. So I love these Husky drawers. You get them at Home Depot. They hold a lot, you guys. They hold a lot. So these are all my punches in here. And then Let me turn you this way. Falling over stuff, sorry. Let me open this one. Sorry if it's shaky, I need to move, and I don't need to fall down because I don't need to go back and to the hospital. So this is where all my markers and pens are. This isn't even all of them, you guys. This is so sad because this isn't my Copics. My Copics are in my main craft room, and they're in another bin. But yeah, you guys, I don't think I've ever used any of these. So yeah, I get a little obsessive, and I think I'm going to do stuff with them, and then I end up not. So this is my Christmas one in here. And I was making 3D projects, and because I love like Craft Purge, I love Scrap Diva. They're all inspirational to me, but it's just I don't have enough time. And I bought, you know, my Cricut like 2 years ago, the new one, and it just is not my thing right now. And that's okay. I'm not getting rid of anything because, like I said, it comes in waves. It all circles back. It really does. It circles back for me like you would not believe. All of a sudden, I'll have an itch to want to look at Ash. Ash is my buddy. Ash is my only boy, and he is super uber attached. Move him. Move. And so is Talwyn. That's how come you saw Talwyn and Ash earlier, because they are super duper attached to me. So are the other two, but the other two are very, very, like, Dory's very chill, but Annabelle just wants to sleep all day. So in here I was part of Buttons Galore for a long time. And then, you know, like, YouTube enablers are in full force. So they really are. And this thing is packed, you guys. I am talking like packed full of stuff. So I just go to town when I fall in love with something, and I don't mean to, but it happens. He's I don't know. He's so funny. And then this is all Anna Griffin stuff. So these are all her dies, and crepe paper, vinyl sheets from, you know, Hobby Lobby. And then when everybody was doing the buy the colored can't remember what they're called, but either way, what was it called? Let's see. The cabin shop, my scrap cabin shop. Can't remember what it's called, but there was dyed stuff, and everyone was using that. So yeah, so I had to buy that. You guys, I am just oi. And yeah, this is like my Halloween cabinet. So I have a lot of Halloween. I went to town on Halloween because I love it so much, and that's jam-packed. So these are full. Sorry guys, so shaky. I had to switch hands. These are the flowers. I love flowers, you guys. I love flowers. And yeah, I'm going to go straight down, and then I'll go to the second row. But flowers are amazing. And bows. I love, love bows. There's my metal pieces over there. Here's my flowers. So, and then I found this, and it was great for my Tim Holtz stuff. So anyways, this is all my 12 by 12 paper in here. So that's all. I have a sewing machine I'm selling. So, because I have 7 of them. Well, now I have 6 because I sold 1, and now I got to sell 2 more. So then I'm good. This I made years and years and years ago, a purse. When I first started watching blogs, I think when I started reading blogs, not watching blogs, but reading blogs. So 6x6 paper, and then 8.5 by 11 paper. And then like Tonic Studios. I love Tonic Studios. I haven't bought from them in about a year, but that's all their paper. So yeah. Anyways, I finally got to show you guys my room. So I'm gonna go back out. I'm gonna go slow. So slow, slow, slow. Hopefully I don't step on any puppies. Oh my goodness, you guys. So this is, yeah, the Overflow filming area. So this is where I'm at when I see, when I'm talking to you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Oh, yep, that was me. That was me dropping a thing I'm going to make. Isn't it bright and pretty? I love it. I love it. And it's actually clean, which I'm so happy about. All right, guys, so that is it. I will talk to you all later. Bye.